Welcome back, children. So today all of us are aware of different types of pollution. When we speak of pollution, the first thing that comes to your mind is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution or land pollution, and the fourth pollution is sound pollution. So today we will speak of sound pollution or noise pollution. Now, any sound which is annoying and harmful for our body, for our ear, is termed as noise. So, any loud sound is highly annoying for us. It disturbs our sleep, it disturbs our work, it breaks our concentration, and it has a lot of ill effects. Now imagine a situation that you are having your examination, and the night before the examination you are busy studying, and beside your house there is a marriage party going on with lot of loud music. How will you like it? It happens, it is very practical. You cannot concentrate in your studies, and the anxiety grows that you are unable to finish revision properly and in a satisfactory manner. So this anxiety that is developed in you is because of that loud sound which is highly disturbing for you. So that is why whenever we play music, it should be kept in mind that it should not be a matter of disturbance for others. Even if you are having a social gathering at home in the form of a marriage party or a birthday party or some rituals, some festival, this should not be done. You must keep in your mind. If you play music with a very, very loud sound, such that the music itself becomes a noise, then it is better to avoid such type of noise. Loud noise is very dangerous because it increases your blood pressure. It affects the heart. If there is some heart patient in your locality, and if a loud noise occurs constantly in the form of music, it may result into the death of that patient. It disturbs your sleep. Sometimes you must have got up, you must have stood awake at midnight due to the barking of dogs suddenly at midnight. This is very annoying. And that noise has broken your deep sleep. So it is disturbing, annoying, and it is also harmful because there is a break in your continuous sleeping duration. So for this reason, extra care is required. Music, as far as I understand, if you are playing music at home, the sound level should be such that if you go out of the room, you should not be able to hear the sound anymore. Whenever you will enter the room, then only you can hear the sound. That should be the level of sound which everybody must try and which everybody must get accustomed to. This is for the betterment of your own health as well as of others. Loud sound is so damaging, the effect is so damaging, it can make a person permanently deaf. Because whenever sound waves enter our ear, the eardrum vibrates, right? So if a loud sound, which has more energy, the eardrum will start vibrating with greater amplitude. Now it is a very, very thin membrane. It has its limit of vibration. So if a very loud sound enters your eardrum and the waves hits the eardrum, the amplitude of the eardrum becomes so large that it may get damaged. It may break or tear. At that time, you become deaf. Means the sense of hearing is lost permanently. Now, I see nowadays that most of the youth, they are always plugging in earplugs, and through earphone they are always listening to music from the cell phone. Now you must know the level of sound which should enter your ear. If your ear is subjected to constant loud sound through the earphone, in the long run, your ear will get damaged. You will become hearing impaired. At the same time, your concentration for doing different type of work will decrease, as a result of which your efficiency will decrease. If you are a student, you should avoid earphone totally. This decreases your efficiency in concentrating in studies. So as today I find that most of the youth is involved in earphone, is involved in mobile phones, and you use earphones frequently, you must take care about the sound level. Okay, children? So that is all about noise pollution. So as I have told you, try to remember your responsibility in your society whenever you make sound or whenever you play music with a loud sound. Thank you. In our next class, we'll do the objective questions which are given at the back of the chapter. Thank you.